How do I put this on?
I'm getting claustrophobic.
This seems so small.
How did you put that on? I think I'll die. You ready? You ready? It's been a long time, and it's been a long time in the making. Stupid skate. Let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna choose your guys' costumes. Chicken, Uzi. Inflatable ride-on dragon, Luke. Yes. Pink one, Kelly. Yeah. Inflatable bull rider.
I'm the only one that doesn't get to see it my face, like my head. What, yours?
Uzi went like this. No. Look at me.
Oh man.
And the judge of this, Mowgli.
Can we put like
Let's do this.
in this and say like,
You might remember him from such movies as The Jungle Book. I'm gonna say that literally every time. So, Mowgli, let me explain how this works.
All right.
We put on costumes, and then we play a game of skate.
You're wearing this?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
I know, it's real embarrassing.
Cowboy.
I am a cowboy from Montana. And the winner takes all. Wait, how do I put this on? No.
because I love flamingos.
I can't skate in this. Bless you, Mowgli. All right, hold on. And then we got batteries for everyone. Wait, how do you say it in Australia?
Battery?
Battery. Battery. It's like there's a bat and it's in a tree. Put them together, it's a bat tree.
This is awful. There's no hands either. Oh wait, what do I get? A claw? Like this. I'm getting claustrophobic. I feel like I can do whatever I want in this because no one knows who I am. Can you see my face?
Just. But wait, how well can you see?
I can see everything.
Oh, I see.
I might just rip my pants.
This seems so small.
Every time I see the flamingo, it's making noises like that. Ah, put in your batteries, dude.
Oh, it's inflating.
What the? Yep.
I don't like this. I can't see. Stop it.
You already ripped a hole.
Did I rip a hole?
Yeah.
Too thick. I'm too thick.
Yeah, we might need to tape that.
I can't see, guys.
Just wait, it's inflating.
Lucy, are you getting ready or what?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Hey, yours is kind of sick.
Let's go, come on.
Oh, dude, yours is sick. How to Train Your Dragon.
Yee! This way, this way, this way. This way.
This guy cannot.
How did you put that on?
Uzi.
It's usually helping. Go on.
What is this? Dude, are you serious?
It's because you got a hole.
Here, hold on. I don't think so because there's a million holes around here, no? Like there's a hole where my hands are. Hey! I need some music to this. Get him! Attack! Blow up. Blow back up. Stop hitting me in the face.
I feel like I'm gonna suffocate.
Is it on?
Hey, these are the worst ones. I feel like these games should just be us versus each other.
TikTok material right here. It's hard to even ollie. You literally can't see anything. Imagine them.
I can't even, literally cannot see anything. I cannot land anything. I can't even see.
This is gonna help me a lot. All right, let's go in here, rush it.
Turkey.
Okay, you ready? We're gonna Rochambeau on 3. I'm gonna count it out because I know you can't see. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, so what did he throw?
What was that? Paper?
Rock.
You're last. You did not throw a rock. Did you?
Yeah.
He said yeah.
Real
Okay,
man, real stone.
Uzi's first.
Oh, are you kidding me?
First, second, third, fourth.
Let's go! Good luck, Uzi. Chicken versus flamingo. Let the man go!
Oh, that's why.
I'm gonna waste everybody. Watch this. Whoa!
It's hard. You really can't see.
Oh, come on.
You that was good.
Anything.
That was good. I realize what makes it really hard is the costume is like too small and I can't move my legs. See that? Can you believe everybody landed that?
No.
Me neither. No! No!
My turn.
I'm just going blind.
Wow, that's blind.
Dragon's just dominating right now.
I think he popped it, technically. Whoa, boy!
That's hard.
Straight to the nollie heel flip. Go ahead, Chippy. Dang, boy. Oh! First letter. The chicken out of all costumes, clean sweep. Kickflip, you want? Let's go! Did it flip?
Yeah.
This is so hard.
You can't even see what's going on. You're just like blinded.
So blind.
Got some bird drama. Hey, let's keep it clean.
Woo! Can't see or breathe.
Is there a trick?
Kickflip.
Can't see. Clean sweep. Ready for clean sweep number 2? I'm out of tricks. Let's go! You got it, Kelly! Something's wrong with your neck.
What are you doing?
Taking full cab.
What are the rules? Like,
Whatever you want. You can try though if you want to give it a try.
I think I'll die.
No, I'll give it a try.
I mean, he already landed the first one. The opponent said it was okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say, yeah.
Well, if you're at T already, there's only one thing left to do. You know what time it is. Use the force, Luke!
It's not fair. He's pro. It's not fair.
Blind and in my sleep, I can try to revert. I literally could not see anything. I just done that trick too much.
He's pro.
Go ahead, Luke. You got it, bud.
I'll land it. Almost, bro.
I'd have given that to you. I'd have given that to you. He's got it. I mean, I'll give it to him. I don't care how bad it is, I'll give it to him. You know, and I thought people would have fallen a lot harder in this. You know what I mean? Okay. Somebody's got to at least do the chicken costume down the 5.
Can you see me?
Oh! Big spin?
It feels so nice. It's just relieved.
What do I do? Try something like really hard or something like really hard?
What's your special move?
I already did it.
3 flip rewind. What about 3 shove?
All right, I'll 3 shove. Either you're happy and you know it. Dang, boy!
I'm starting to think that he's more than a pro. He's a legend.
That's close. Here, you got it. Let's go. All right, $10 to Ollie the 5-star first try.
10 bucks?
15 bucks.
I think I would die.
20 bucks. Gosh.
I wouldn't even be able to see where the stairs are.
25 bucks.
I can't even find my board right now. Oh, there it is.
Because you can't see anything. And I'm even like out here. Never mind.
There's a 100% chance I would die.
Well, we got him the chicken for a reason. Should I go? Just one full send?
Not being able to see your board is one thing, but olling it, not being able to see anything at all, or where the stairs start or anything, heck no.
Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, it's time to learn how to skate. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video.